Hello everyone, good morning to you all. Welcome to the e-learning classes. I am your science teacher. I hope आप लोग अच्छे होंगे. So let's start our today's work. Students, today we will do fill in the blanks of lesson 3 wild animals. आज हम लोग lesson 3 का fill in the blanks करेंगे. So all of you take out your science copy quickly and start writing. आप लोग अपनी साइंस की कॉपीज निकाल लीजिए and start doing your work. First of all, write down today's date. Today is 28th May 2020. On the next line you will write CW, that is classwork, and underline it. On the next line you will write your lesson number, that is lesson 3 wild animals. Alright, underline the heading of the lesson. On the next line you will write the name of the exercise. So today we will do fill in the blanks, that is exercise B, fill in the blanks. Underline it. So our first question is, a lion lives in a dash. A lion lives in a dash. आपको बताना है कि lion कहाँ रहता है. This I have already discussed with you multiple times. ये मैंने आपसे पहले भी कई बार डिस्कस कर चुकी हूँ. That a lion lives in a den. D-E-N, den. I'll show this to you once again. A lion lives in a den. This is a den and there is a lion inside it. Lion कहाँ रहता है? Lion den में रहता है. Alright. So let's move to the second one. A bear lives in a dash. A bear lives in a dash. आपको बताना है कि bear कहाँ रहता है. So this you all must be knowing. आपको पता ही होगा that a bear lives in a caves. C-A-V-E-S. This I have already discussed with you yesterday. That a bear lives in a cave. This is a cave. ये क्या है? Cave है and there is a bear inside it. इसके अंदर क्या है? Bear है. So a bear lives in a cave. Let's move to the third one. A dash lives both on land and in water. Students, you have to write the name of an animal which lives on both land and in water. एक ऐसे एनिमल्स का नाम लिखना है जो लैंड में भी रहता हो, ज़मीन पे भी रहता है मतलब, और पानी में भी रहता है. That can survive both on land and in water. So which animal is this? This is a hippopotamus. HIPPO. Hippo. Then again POTAMUS. Hippopotamus. Students, please write the correct spelling. HIPPO. Hippo. POTAMUS. Hippopotamus. So hippopotamus is an animal which can survive both on land and in water. वो land में भी रह सकता है और water में भी रह सकता है. Students, there are other animals also other than hippopotamus which can survive both on land and in water. हिप्पोपोटामस के अलावा भी कई सारे एनिमल्स हैं जो लैंड में भी सर्वाइव करते हैं और वाटर में भी सर्वाइव करते हैं. फॉर एग्ज़ाम्पल crocodile, frog, snakes. So these are the animals that can survive both on land and in water. See, this is a hippopotamus, this is a crocodile. So they can live both on land and in water. Hippopotamus and crocodile can live both on land and in water. वो land में भी रह सकते हैं और water में भी रह सकते हैं. Alright, students, one thing I want to make clear here that I have left one line in between, but you need not to leave any lines. आपको lines छोड़ने की कोई ज़रूरत नहीं है. मैंने सिर्फ इसलिए ऐसा किया है so that it is clearly visible to you all और आप लोग spelling mistake ना करें, आपको साफ साफ दिखाई पड़े. Alright. So students, let's move to the fourth one. Zebra and deer eats dash. Zebra and deer eats dash. Zebra और deer क्या खाते हैं? Zebra and deer are which type of animals? ये किस टाइप के animals हैं? They are the herbivores animals. कैसे animal हैं ये? Herbivores animals. I'll show this to you. This is deer. This is zebra. So which type of animals these are? These are plant eating animals or herbivores animals. So herbivores animals क्या खाते हैं? They eat only and only plants. वो सिर्फ plants खाते हैं, fruits, vegetables खाते हैं, no flesh, nothing. So they are the herbivores animals. So they will eat only plants. PLANTS, plants. All right. So let's move to the fifth one. A dash eats the flesh of dead animals. It is a type of animal which eats the flesh of dead animals. वो क्या खाती है? जो animals मर चुके हैं उनका flesh खाते हैं. So which type of animals they are? It is a fox. fox is a type of an animal which eats flesh of dead animals. वो क्या खाते हैं? जो एनिमल्स मर चुके हैं उनको खाते हैं. Students, there are other animals also which eats the flesh of dead animals like hyena, vulture. All these animals eats flesh of dead animals. They helps to keep the फॉरेस्ट क्लीन. ये क्या करते हैं? जो डेड एनिमल्स हैं उनको खाते हैं, जिससे क्या होता है? फॉरेस्ट क्लीन होता है. अदरवाइज इट विल बी वेरी डिफिकल्ट फॉर अस टू सर्वाइव. ऑलराइट, सो अ फॉक्स ईट्स द फ्लैश ऑफ डेड एनिमल्स. सो दीज आर द 5 questions which we will do in fill in the blanks. I hope things are clear to you. Now students, you just write down your today's homework. Your today's homework is learn exercise A of lesson 3. You have to learn exercise A of lesson 3. लेसन 3 की जो एक्सरसाइज ए है, जो कल हम लोगों ने कॉपी में किया था, वो आपको लर्न करना है. दिस इज एक्सरसाइज ए. टिक द करेक्ट आंसर. सो यू हैव टू लर्न दिस एक्सरसाइज. ऑलराइट, दिस इज योर होमवर्क. थैंक यू सो मच. सी यू इन द नेक्स्ट वीडियो.